Today we're going to look at using the Mongodb component to pull data through from your Mongo database, so let's get started. The Mongodb component is available within an orchestration job. You simply select the component and drag it on screen where required. The first thing we need to do is connect it up to the start component. And now we can start to configure the properties for the component. The first property to configure is the Mongodb server, which contains the data we wish to pull through. In this example, I'm going to pull some data from the local host, so we can pull some data from the Matillion Mongo database. I've left the port blank, so Matillion will pick up data from the standard Mongodb port. The database I wish to bring data through from is the Emerald database. I've got the option to flatten out nested objects from the Mongodb collection if I wish. If I choose not to, then Matillion will return a JSON string with those objects in. Now in the data sources, here I'm given a list of the collections that are available to me in that Mongodb database. So I'm going to pull data through from the projects, and this will create me a table in my Redshift database. The data selection option gives me a list of the fields I wish to bring through from that collection. So let's select name, ID, description, variables. I can add a filter on this if I require as well. Finally, I'm prompted to give an S3 staging area to stage the data via. And then I can give the name of a new table that is created in Snowflake for me. I can run this job by simply right-clicking and choosing to run the job. And here we can monitor the progress of the job as it's running. So you can see it took just 5 seconds to stage all 6 of those projects into a new table for me. I can view the data in the table in a new transformation job. Which I can view using a table input component. And let's view all columns from there. And here we can see that I've got 6 rows in that table. And we can sample the data available to us there. So these are all the projects that exist. I can jump back into that orchestration job, and within the Mongodb query component, I've got the option to change from basic through to advanced mode. And in advanced mode, I've got the option of specifying my own SQL query to pull through the data I want. So this could allow me to do simple joins on the data if I wish to pull data from 2 different collections. And again, the results of this query will just be written into the brand new table that Matillion will create for you on the database.